Are your bedroom walls looking plain and empty? With the right wall hangings, you can turn a simple space into a cozy, stylish, and inspiring retreat. In this video, I'll share some creative and affordable wall hanging ideas that can instantly elevate the look of your bedroom without needing a full makeover. Whether you prefer modern, boho, or minimalist styles, there's something here for you. Simple definition: wall hangings are decorative pieces placed on walls to add personality, texture, and warmth to a room. They can include fabric art, shelves, mirrors, paintings, or DIY crafts that match your bedroom's vibe. Step-by-step practical guide. Step 1. Choose a focal wall, usually behind the bed or directly opposite the door. Step 2. Select a theme such as boho macrame, modern frames, or rustic wooden accents. Step 3. Arrange your wall hangings either symmetrically for a clean look or asymmetrically for a creative touch. Step 4. Mix textures by combining fabric, hangings, framed art, and small shelves with plants. Step 5. Secure your pieces properly using wall hooks or adhesive hangers to keep them safe and aligned. Tools explained. You may need measuring tape for alignment, adhesive hooks or nails for mounting, a hammer, and a level tool to keep things straight. For fabric hangings, a simple wooden dowel or rod works perfectly. Quick tips: use light-colored hangings for small rooms to make them feel spacious. Group smaller pieces together instead of hanging one tiny item alone. Always balance heavy items with lighter decor on the same wall. Cost comparison: handmade macrame wall hangings can range from $15 to $40 depending on size. DIY photo frames cost around $5 to $10 each. Ready-made canvas art pieces are usually $20 to $50. DIY options are always more budget-friendly and customizable. Workflow: plan your wall layout on paper, gather your materials, prepare your tools, mount each piece starting from the center, and finally adjust spacing for balance. Professional notes: avoid overcluttering your wall. A few well-placed hangings have a bigger impact than filling every inch. Make sure your choices reflect your personality, as bedrooms are meant to feel personal and calming. So, we've learned what wall hangings are, explored practical steps to set them up, compared costs, and even looked at professional design tips. By following these ideas, you can easily transform your bedroom into a stylish and comforting space. If you found these ideas helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more creative home improvement tips, and share your favorite wall hanging idea in the comments below.